Hey everybody out there, and thank you so much for tuning in today on Unplugged, Uncut. You know what your girl sounds is Shar'e. I will be joined here shortly with the beautiful, soon-to-be New York bestseller book author, Exzneair.
First, the chapter that I love the most in the Scarlet Woman is the Black Mom. That is by far the best chapter to me. I love it because I was able to describe my ex-boyfriend, which was the reason for the book. And I described him as a black mamba, one of the most deadliest snakes.
Ew.
So he had already spit venom on the inside of me. I was filled with toxicity, and I had to fight my way into healing, which I was near my death. You know, I was already had the venom on the inside of me, and I described the long, drastic 7 years that he had.
7 years.
Talking about daddy issues.
Yeah.
You know,
The root causes.
You know, the causes that led up to the Scarlet Woman. What created what she was. Now, in regards to the addiction that I had to sex, I can really honestly say that it was mental abuse that I carried for a long time.
Yes.
Because I allowed a man to feel like he was the front. The moment I decided to write that book was the moment that I was in therapy. The moment that my therapist was mad because I knew that I needed help, y'all. I knew that it was a place in my life that I was stuck in. Yeah. And as an African American, it is very hard to admit, girlfriend, that you even about to go to counseling. Somebody in your family know that you about to hit that shrink, that red cow, you know what I'm saying? They know it's about to be open flame. Telling it all. Hey, it's your girl Zena. Hey, I have a new upcoming podcast coming. You better get ready. If you ain't ready, you better get ready, okay? Hey!
Oh yeah, it's definitely going down. So make sure you guys get on over to Amazon.com. Purchase your books today. Woman Activated, Ignited by the Plug, The Scarlet Woman. Books brought to you by up-and-coming New York best-selling author Exzneair. Make sure you get on over to YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Sounds of Shar'e, and make sure you tune in because September 2nd at 7 p.m., you'll be able to see the full episode.